Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. As you can tell by the title, today's video is sponsored by BO+TEE. So I'm going to be doing a BO+TEE try-on haul of their new collection, Accelerate. It'll be launching the 16th of March. Hopefully I'll be able to get this video up before it launches. They usually also have like an early access, so definitely go check that out. That way you can snag it before. Kind of going over all the items that'll be releasing, the different colors, and then my review of the products. So yeah, let's just get on into the video. Also, update, got a new phone. I'm no longer an 8+ gal. So, okay, so the Accelerate collection has a few different styles and items you guys can snag. I believe coming out in 5 color ranges: Mulberry, Baton Rouge, Deep Wisteria, and Deep Lagoon. I'm absolutely obsessed with all the colors coming out. They're really, really pretty, and I don't have many colors like the options that they came out with, so I'm very happy with the color selection. The material is like a acid wash print design. So I didn't get 2 of the colors, which was the Deep Wisteria and then the Deep Lagoon, which is a green and then like a dark purple. Those are both absolutely beautiful, and I will probably need to, please excuse my nails, I will probably need to snag them when they come out because the colors are absolutely gorgeous. I got I got lilac, and then the lighter pink, and then the darker pink, which I believe this is Mulberry, and then this is Baton Rouge, and then this is lilac. Start with the leggings. So there's going to be high-waisted leggings in all of the colors, and I got these in Baton Rouge and then Mulberry. They look like this. They're rib material. They're very similar to the Form and Function, except way better in my opinion. Because remember how I said the Form and Function, like, I kept having to pull it up. It needed more compression right here. They definitely did that with these. Like, I don't have to continuously pull them up. They're a rib material, and normally I'm not a ribbed fan, but this rib material is super stretchy, so it's not restricting at all. It's very soft and comfortable. It is a little bit thick, but not to the point where it's gonna like compress the backside. And then the back detail is fabulous. I love that BO+TEE is sticking with this design where like it outlines right here and then has the scrunch. I think that this style is just, on everyone it's going to look super flattering, and then I don't know, I just feel super confident wearing these leggings. I think this color is absolutely beautiful. Let's fix it to see if it's squat proof. I can't. And the material is thick, that it is squat proof, so you don't have to worry about it being sheer. I will show you it in the Mulberry, which is like a lighter color. So yeah, it's just like this. I'm actually wearing the Mulberry top, but this is the shade difference in the pinks. And again, it's rib material. It has a nice waistband that's thicker, that'll definitely suck you in and will stay up, so you don't have to keep pulling it up. It has no seam right here, like no front seam. It has a gusset, so no camel issues. And then the back, my favorite part, again, I don't know why my voice cracks 24/7 in my videos. Ugh, cringy. Maybe it's because I'm talking too fast, I don't know. But it's got the scrunch right here, and I love that their scrunch actually goes in, so it actually works, does something, it's very flattering. And then it has the outline detail just to kind of like sculpt the backside, give it that butt pad look. Honestly, like that's what it does, but it works. Yeah, I love that BO+TEE has come out with a ton of options with this back design. You cannot go wrong. It's gonna make everyone look super good. 10 out of 10 recommend. It's very stretchy. I got these in an extra small. Definitely could have gone to a small, but the extra small, it's not bad. I feel like it makes my backside look better because it's tighter. But yeah, these are squat proof as well. Even though it's a lighter shade, you're still good because it is a thicker rib material. And it is very stretchy. It's got like these paneling down the leg. If you can see. Can you see? Next we'll move into shorts. So I got these, which are the mulberry, in a size small. Honestly, I probably should have gone to a medium. And then they sent me this, and like they sent the cutest International Women's Day like PR package, I guess, to everyone who's team BO+TEE. And then yeah, there were cookies. They made a little digital illustration of like one of my photos for them. It was the cutest thing. And they sent me these in the package as well, but these are an extra small, and honestly I'm really scared that they are not gonna fit, or at least like cheeks are gonna be hanging out because they're pretty short. Yeah, I'm again like more of a biker length gal, so if these came out in biker length, oh, I'd snag every single color. But I'm gonna try on an extra small and compare them for you guys. So yeah. Oh, this is lilac again. Here are the shorts in extra small, color lilac. I was right. In order to get the scrunch where it's supposed to be, cheeks are hanging out. So extra small is just not doable. Extra small would have been okay if these were biker length. I wish they were longer. They're just too short for my liking. They are squat proof though. Have nice tummy control. However, like they're just way too short, and so the scrunch just kind of like sits there because it can't even go in. So I just don't feel comfortable wearing this to the gym because it's just way too short. So I'm hoping maybe they bring out similar style to this but in biker length, because that, yeah, I would love that. Here are the size small shorts in mulberry. So sizing to a small versus an extra small, they're the exact same length, like they're still way too short. The only difference is now I have less tummy control / compression on my like stomach area. So I was kind of hoping I'd get some extra length. So yeah, I think the shorts are just not really for me because I like more coverage. If these were biker length or even like just a tad bit longer, I would feel more comfortable wearing these. They're just too short. They are flattering, like they're very nice. So if you don't mind cheeks hanging out at the gym, like I definitely would snag these, but I get really self-conscious about that. So I just don't think I'd be able to wear these. These are probably gonna be like a workout at home type of shorts. They are very flattering though. It's just like I do love this color though. I do love the scrunch. I love how stretchy it is. I just think they should have done biker length as an option for people who maybe don't like super short shorts. This is the square neckline sports bra, and I got this in the color mulberry, so it's the lighter shade of pink. I got this in an extra small, and one thing I've noticed about BO+TEE sports bras is not that they run big, but they're really stretchy. I honestly could have gone to an extra small just because like here is pretty long, so I have like extra fabric right here, so I feel like it goes down on me lower, and I don't have much up top, let's be honest. So I feel like sizing with the sports bras, you can definitely size down, but this will be coming in all 5 of the colors. It's this nice rib material. I love the square neck. I think it's such a flattering look. I definitely need one of every color in this sports bra because it's so cute, and it's just a normal razor back. I would say it's like low medium support. Maybe if I went down to an extra small, I need a boob job, then maybe like it would, you know, be like higher impact. It's so cute. Okay, so now I'm wearing the keyhole zip sport crop, and this is the color Mulberry. It'll be coming in all 5 colors, and I'm just pairing it with the sports bra underneath. I guess you don't have to. Yeah, you really don't have to, as long as you have like a low cut bra, like sports bra on underneath, you're good. Or I guess you could just wear it as a top. You just wouldn't have support because there's no padding in this top. And I think if you get the same color, it looks really good. I got this in an extra small. Probably should have gone to a small because you zip, like where you zip starts at the top, and like you have to like pull the fabric because it's pretty tight as an extra small, and it was just really hard to zip down. I wish they would have made the zipper start here, that way you could just zip it up. It would have been a lot easier. I do love this cutout detail though. I think it's very cute. I don't have any tops like it, so I would definitely have to snag this in all the other colors, but maybe just size up. So this is the cuff sleeve zip up crop top. This is lilac. I also got it in Baton Rouge, except I got this one in a small, and this one's an extra small. Extra small is way too tight. I had a hard time even like zipping it up, and I don't have much up top. So these tops do run small, so just keep in mind that. But it's got this little like short sleeve top, the thicker band right here, the logo. It's full zip, which I do like. So you can have it high neck, have it lower, whatever your preference is. Except I definitely think the small is gonna be better than the extra small. I do love this color though. Okay, so here's the size small in the short sleeve crop top in Baton Rouge. The small fits so much better and is so much easier to zip up. So I definitely wouldn't size down in this top. Alright guys, so that is everything that I got from BO+TEE for their new Accelerate collection. Again, it's launching March 16th, and they also have early access, so definitely go check them out. Snag you some super cute pieces. The leggings are chef's kiss. I would really like to see them come out with this same collection but with biker length as an option, just because you guys know me, I love biker length. I love a little bit more coverage in my shorts. I love all the color options. They're so pretty. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Bailey.s Stewart. Thank you so much, BO+TEE, for sponsoring this video and sending me these super cute items. I cannot wait to go to the gym and take some cute photos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.